Good morning, my twinkling stars. How are you all? I hope you all are shining brightly at your home, and we all are missing your shining at our school also. Okay? So, welcome back once again with the studies, and this time we are going to study the things in a creative as well as in a fun loving way. Okay, so now I'm going to give you one activity. Okay, you all have to do that activity as well. Now that activity is related to subtraction. Okay, so let's have a look. Here you can see I have 2000 notes. This is the duplicate one, not the original one. Okay, then 500 notes, 200 notes, 100 and 50 rupees note. Okay, now you can see here, this I have written something. Are you all able to see? This is milk, this is rent and EMI of a house rent or EMI, then electricity, then school fee, make expenses, grocery and personal care, and last savings. Okay, so what we all need to do, this is all the money which we all are having. Okay, I'm having as of now. Okay, so what we need to do, or what you all have to do at your home, that we have to put these amount over here. You have to ask your parents that how much amount for these all expenses they are giving, how much money they all are giving for these many expenses. Okay, so in all, right now, this let us calculate the amount. 2000, then 4000, then 6000, 8000, 10,000, and this is 12,000. Okay, so we are having 12,000. Now here again 12,000, then 12,500, 13,000, then 13,500, then 14,000. Okay, now this 200 note, 14,000, 200, 14,400, 14,600, 14,800. Okay, now this 100 note. Okay, 14,600. No, 14,800. Then 14,900. 15,000. 15,100. 15,100. Okay, and 15,200. I'm keeping it here. You all have to remember this amount. Then 15,000. How much? I forgot. Can you tell me? Can you all tell me? You can message me, okay, on our email. Okay, how much amount till now we have counted. So here, till here we have counted. Now 15,000. I'm going to take this rounded off. Okay, we have learned how to do round off also, no? So this is 15,300 and last 15,400. Now I am going to keep this money here according to my house expenses. Okay, so first I have to pay the bill of milk. Okay, milk amount is 1,500. Okay, the bill of milk is 1,500. So I am taking this 3 notes. Okay, 500, 1,000, then 15,000 and 1,500, and I'm keeping it here as the bill of milk which I have to pay to milkman. Okay. Now rent or EMI. So rent, my house rent is 6,000. So I'm taking 2,000 note. Okay, rupees, this 2,000, 4,000 and 6,000. I'm keeping it like this, okay, because it's for our understanding. Okay, this is 600 and 6,000 for rent. Okay, now electricity bill. This time, you know, my house has low electricity bill and it is equals to 250 rupees. Okay, 250 is for my electricity bill. So I'm keeping it here, keeping the amount here. Okay, you can see electricity. This is the amount of electricity. Now school fee, you all know your fee. You all have to know all this thing. Okay, so our school fees monthly, here I'm taking monthly as an amount of 2,000. Okay, so I'm keeping it again, I'm keeping in this column. Okay, so you all have to understand it. Okay, then maid expenses. So my maid expenses is what is, let me count, 1 2 3 4 and this 600 rupees. Okay, so this amount I'm keeping it in this column, that is maid expenses. Okay, then grocery. Grocery includes, you all know, na, sugar, pulses, then wheat flour and many more things. Okay, so I'm taking 2,500 rupees grocery item. Okay, so I'm keeping it here. Okay, I hope you all are able to count. Now and last we are going to do the exact subtraction. Okay, now last, this is personal care. Personal care includes our soap, our hair oil, shampoo, okay, which we are going to apply on our body. Okay, so my personal care expenses is equal to 500 rupees. Okay, so I'm keeping it here. Okay, can you see 200, then 400 and then this 500. Okay, now what we all need to do, we all need to see how much amount is left with us. So we have, see here also we have done so many subtraction. Okay, the total amount we are having, what we have the amount that is equals to 15,000 and that is 15,800. No. 15,600. No. Total amount we had is 15,400. Okay. Now at last what we all have to see, how much amount is left with us. So this is all about the subtraction. Okay, this is the activity. Now at last we are going to count the total amount which is left with us. So this, can you see the note? Okay, and this note also, can you see? Okay, now I'm not going to see, you have seen the video. Now you all have to tell me the total amount which is left with us, which is also called here the savings. The amount which I have shown you, you have to write in your homework. Okay, and the same activity which you have to do at your home. If you are not having this type of notes, so what you can do, you can take the paper and in this you have to take the help of your father as well as your mother. Okay, now how you are going to take help of your parents? Your father is going to tell you the salary. Okay, the total amount which your father is earning. Okay, tentative amount you can ask, and after that you have to ask to your mother the various expenses which I have written. It might be different. Okay, it might be different. ये अलग भी हो सकते हैं, but in this way you have to do the things. Okay, you have to put the notes, and then at last you have to find out the savings. Okay, so this is all about the subtraction activity. I hope you understand by seeing this, and you will understand more effectively by doing this. Okay, till that time, take care of yourself, and bye bye.